Hey guys, thanks for tuning to my video. Today what I'm going to do is go ahead and disassemble the back of the Aorus. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. And today what I'm going to do is disassemble the back of an Aorus X5 V6. The X5 V6 is a i7 made by Gigabyte. It's their higher end one. It's got a metal aluminum frame and everything. It's actually a very thin laptop, as you see. And we are going to open it up just to take a look in case you guys ever want to get in here to upgrade or anything. You'll have to remove all the little Torx screws on here on the bottom, which is pretty fast. After you get all the screws out, you'll get a something like this plastic. You can go underneath here and just go around the sides to pop some little snaps. There's a few little snaps in there. And then basically everything comes off. Okay? And you can lay that. It is a metal base also. So you get into the bottom of the computer and we can look at it. We see we have your M2 type slot here. You have your wireless LAN. You have your extra memory sticks there. It already has 16 gigabytes installed, and that's probably on the other side, those 2 8s. So put another 2 8s in there and you could have 32 meg. Or I think you could put 2 16s in here and you get like 48 or something, or whatever you want to do the math. This is for another 2 M.2 slots right here. Dusty. Here's your 7200 RPM 1 terabyte hard drive. And here are your 2 GTX 780s in here, and SLI bridged. Okay, here's your processor here. Speakers. These are speakers here. Look like speakers. Yep, speakers. And this is kind of the internal of it. Wanted to show you that. So you could actually put 2 more in there, so you have 3. And you could, you know, be nice to change that out and put a different one in there. There's all kind of little connectors on the boards, and here's the battery. It does come up, so it's probably replaceable. Yeah, see, it comes up a little. So you probably could replace that. It's not in there that tight. I guess it's just pressed down by the case. It's not even that tight. It could be held there. I guess these rubber things hold it down. But that's inside of it. That's the chassis, and that's the X5 V6. And really nice. I've looked at a lot of laptops. I've been looking. This by far. Now also the Orion is pretty nice. Has upgradability. Only thing I thought on this, the other 2 RAM were here. So if you had to change 2 RAMs, you'd probably have to pull the board out to do that. So I just don't like that feature. But I guess so much room in here, well, they can't fit anything. But you can put 2 more in here. So I think you can put 2 16s. Let's go up to 64 gigabyte. I think you put 2 16s and the other half 2 8s. But I'm not positive on that. I'd have to check. But here it is. Here's your CMOS battery. You know, okay. But nice looking little computer. And I wanted to show you that. So we're just going to go ahead and button it back up. Get our little thing, put it on here. You got to be careful with this because this is aluminum, and you know, it's metal, so it could bend. You just put it down, snap it in, and grab it here. Snap it down. Just be very careful. You'll be okay. You don't want to break any pins, or you know, these things are have these snaps on, but it looks good. Okay, and then you just take your Torx and tighten your screws back again. One thing you got to watch out if you put screws over here, make sure you don't lay the computer back on it. Now these screws here in the front, these two have this little, like a tamper, little piece of black paper. So once you do that, they will be tampered. But you could probably find those or make them. Probably not that difficult. If you have a problem. I don't know why they have it like that. I mean, you shouldn't have to send it back to replace memory or anything like that. This would be a user upgradable part there. But you know how that goes. And there's these long screws go in the back. See how long those are? Just to let you know. Pretty easy to do. I would eventually like to put more of the M2 hard drives in there. One of these days, maybe. Let's see. There, it's snapping in. You can hear it snap. Doesn't look good. All the screws in except one screw, which I hate when you actually mess up. And there, it's good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Okay, so I got it all in there. Looks real nice. But that is the X5. Let me light up the little thing here a little for you. That's the X5 V6, and that's the inside of it for those guys that want to maybe do an upgrade or want to see inside of it.